Good morning, baby.
Hey. Who's your babe? Hey. Wait.
Good morning.
Hey, stop there. Stop there. What
Why
is it?
did you have to
Good
cancel
morning.
the
So,
wedding?
yeah, good morning. You're on, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
So,
Babe, why
so
did you
it's
have to
okay.
cancel
It's
the
okay.
wedding? A wedding that is just 2
I'm not your
weeks from
babe.
now.
I am not your babe.
Please, don't do
I
this
am
to
not
me.
your babe.
Please.
What
This
is
is an
this?
embarrassment. My family are talking already. Please.
What business do I have with your family?
Please, babe.
What business do I have with your family?
So why do you have
You
to
said you wanted
cover
to see
the
me. Why did you come with
wedding?
her?
Moga, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to come with her. I didn't tell you that I'm coming with her.
Wait.
When she gave me,
Excuse me. You're recording me?
sir, let me tell you is that this is the part I did not tell you. On security level, anywhere I go with the camera. And actually, I'm
To
sorry.
record me.
I'm sorry. I was about taking permission to record you. I'm sorry. All right. Can I go ahead, please?
Babe, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Please,
Um,
you don't have to cancel this
No,
wedding.
no problem.
Save me from this embarrassment.
See, don't touch me
please.
again.
Please, babe.
If you make me say
I'm
that, touch me
begging.
again, so I'll do
I'm
you.
begging.
So please, I called you, and actually, let me go straight to the point. I know you're a man. I know something must have happened. She told me that your wedding's supposed to be in a week time, and you canceled the wedding.
Yeah, I did.
Do you understand me? So they say you canceled the wedding. So he told me about, like, there are some little settlement money that meant for you to settle some other people, and that was caused the problem. You did not give them the money to settle, and at the point when they requested that this thing is coming, you just say you cancel the wedding. Well, I know something must have happened. What would be the problem that make you to cancel a wedding?
Well, the thing there is that I never wanted to talk about this at all, ever. I never wanted to talk about anything concerning this.
There's something again. They say the family, the mother, the father, they told me, they say they are trying to even reach you for you to tell them reasons why
Why will they reach me? Why will they reach me? Why will they reach me? What right do they have to reach me? What right do they have to reach
because
me?
Because they are the parents. They are the parents. So they demand to know what's the reasons why you cancel the wedding. You know, they have family. They've already told their family. They've told everybody. So
this thing you are recording, do you post it online?
Yes, I put it online. Yeah.
Okay, very good. I'm going to explain what happened now.
Yeah.
I'm not explaining it for her to hear it. That's not my reason of explaining. I'm explaining it for people out there to understand what is going on.
Okay.
At least let me also learn from my own. Now, this girl you're seeing here, if you ask her, she will tell you.
Okay.
I love this girl more than anything in this world. We have finished fixing our marriage. We have finished fixing the dates. We have done even wedding card and everything. You understand, ba? So we are now kind of arranging like the cameraman, the photographer, and the caterers and everything. And then, normally, because of the kind of trust I have where she is,
Yeah.
I don't block my phone most of the time when she's around. And sometimes I could just leave my phone like this on the table if she's around, and I will just go to where I want to go to because of trust. You understand?
Yeah.
And one certain time, there was this transaction I made. One certain time. And that was where this whole problem started. Now, after the arrangement of the photographer, the caterer, and everybody, all of a sudden, after like 3 days that I finished settling some, I started receiving calls that the money I paid is not enough.
That the money you pay for those things are not enough.
Not enough.
And you people have agreed for the amount of
I negotiated with the cameraman,
the media people.
With the media people. I negotiated with them. They said I got to cover everything with 1 million. I said okay. I paid 500. I said after the job, I'll give them the balance.
Okay.
These people called me after 3 days and said I'm going to add extra 1 million, making it 2 million.
So after you call they give them 1 million,
I have paid 500.
Yes.
We agreed on 1 million.
Okay.
I paid 500 so that when they finish the job,
yeah,
I will give them the remaining 500.
Okay.
And then they called me and said it's not 500 I'm going to pay at the end. I'm going to pay 1.5.
Okay.
Plus the 500 I've already paid, making it 2 million. I got confused because that was not our agreement.
Okay.
That same day,
Yeah.
I got a call from the caterer. She also changed price.
Okay.
Even her parents added money to all the lists that they gave me. The list they gave me, they added money in all of them. I got confused because I don't know where all these things are coming from. The first person I called was she.
Okay.
I said, okay, look at, see what's going on. Your parents added money to this, cameraman did this, and the caterer, see what's going on. What do we do? She said that I know that this is this regime and things are hard, that things are getting higher and higher every day. I said, it's not about getting higher. Look at what I'm trying to explain to you something and you are telling me that things are getting high. So what do we do? She said, let's just close eye and pay. But on the second thought, I said, let me find out from the cameraman what happened. We went there, we sat there, and we now started talking. That was where this guy told me that it was her parents that asked him to add money.
Okay, it was her parent that asked you to add.
No, her parents, her own parents.
Yes.
Asked him.
Asked the media people to add another extra 1 million.
Extra 1 million. That's so, after the thing that the 1 million that is being added is going to be for them. Commission.
Okay. It means the thing happened all over everywhere, including the caterer and everywhere.
That was what they did to everybody. And how they got their contact is through her. And my own, what even got me pissed the most was this. The transaction, there was a transaction I made one certain time. She was around. I left my phone with her and I went out. I just went to the bathroom. For me to come outside, I don't know, this girl screenshots my account balance and sent to her parents.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Hey,
hey. It's not what
if you
think.
touch me again,
Please, don't cut off
if you touch me again,
please,
so, and told her parents that the money that they collected from me is too small. That what is on the list is small. That they need to add more to be able to collect the money from my account balance. Does she know what that money is meant for?
Babe, I'm sorry. It's
so you mean you did that?
No.
And she's here pretending. She's here pretending that she don't know what she did.
I'm really, really sorry, babe. Please.
See, I'll slap you now.
Please.
Okay. I've heard what this thing said, and actually I'm going to go into it to make sure.
Wait, Mr. Honor.
Yes.
Please. Don't ever call me with this again. So I just want you, people out there, don't trust anybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have a place for you to learn from this video. And actually, after settling a wedding, the money meant for different something they're supposed to use, the parent double it, everybody double it. You now find out that it was the lady he want to marry that screenshot his account balance to send to them, asking them to increase the money, that this man has money for the wedding, for them to get a lot of money from like that. And this is what makes this guy to call off the wedding. And actually, I'm asking you there now, you there watching this video, are you saying this man should forgive this lady for the marriage to continue? Or not? I am going to still talk to this man after this video, and I can see what we can do. As you are just watching this video, don't just watch alone. Share. A lot of people need to learn. Thank you so much, and God bless you.